Welcome back to accounting session. So we are going to learn fourth method here. In this method, the new profit sharing ratio of the new partner is not given. He will obtain that ratio from the part of the ratios of older partners. So here, new profit sharing ratio of the new partner is not given. He obtains his share from the old partners profit sharing ratios. So here what happens, the new partner who enters into the partnership firm or is admitted into the partnership, his share is not given here. He will obtain his share as a part of the profit sharing ratio of older partners. So let us say one example here, you will understand it very clearly. One example, X and Y are partners. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They admit Z as a new partner and his share is 1/4 of X share and 3/4 of Y share. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Of X, Y and Z. So seeing the problem, it's very clear that the old ratio of the old partners is given, that is 2:1, but the new partner share is not given. His share will be 1/4 of X share, that means 1/3 of 2/3 and 3/4 of Y share, that is 1/3 is 3/4. So let us solve this problem. X to Z. His share is 2/3 and out of that he is going to give 1/4 of his share. So that is 2 into 1, 2, 3/4 are 12. 2/12. So he will be contributing toward the share of new partner 2/12 and Y to Z. 1/3 is the share of Y and he is going to give 3/4 out of that. So 3/12. This is the contribution by Y towards the share of Z. So let us calculate the new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio of X equal to, his old ratio is 2 by 3. Out of that, he is going to contribute how much? 2 by 12. You can use either LCM method or you can use cross multiplication method. I am using here cross multiplication method into 12 into 3. 12 2s are 24, 3 2s are 6, 12 3s are 36 equal to 18 by 36. New profit sharing ratio of Y equal to 1/3 was his share. Out of that, he is giving 3 by 12. Cross multiply this into 12 into 3. So 12 minus 9 divided by 36 equal to 3 by 36 is the new profit sharing ratio of Y. And Z, new profit sharing ratio of Z equal to the contributions given by X and Y. X has given 2 by 12 and Y has given 3 by 12. So denominators are same, so no cross multiplication is required here. 5 by 12 is the share of Z. So if you want to verify 18 by 36, X, Y, 3 by 36 and Z 5 by 12. 12 3s are 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 15 equal to 36. That is equal to 36 by 36. So this is the way to calculate the new profit sharing ratio in case if the profit sharing ratio of new partner is not given and if he obtains part of profit sharing ratio of old partners. So let us see one more problem based on this.